Hello and welcome to this Mykademy feature tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to import content from other courses. First, go to Courses. Either click the Courses icon on the dashboard or go to Products and select Courses from the left navigation panel. You will be redirected to the course dashboard, which lists all the active courses. Select any one course and you will reach the course overview page. From the left side, click Course Content. From the right side of the course content page, click Import Content. A window will open where you have to choose the course from which you want to import content to this course. Once you choose a particular course, all the lectures of that course will be listed here. Select one lecture you wish to import. Select the section for which you want to import content. I'm selecting Biochemistry 2. So, once you select the section, click Import. Now you can see the changes. The imported lectures will be listed here under Biochemistry 2. Thank you for watching this video on how to import content from other courses.